Welcome to a short tour of P&O Aurora. Welcome on board Aurora. This is cabin 305 on deck 9 and is a large sea view cabin. The atrium is spread over decks 5, 6, 7 and 8 and is a mixture of shops and bars. The information and excursion desks and future cruise sails can all be found here. On deck 7 forward, you'll find the Cuisine Theatre. During the day it's used for different types of talks, from port and excursion information to special guest speakers with different topics. Evenings, there are two shows, either the headliner's company or special acts. On Deck 8 midships, you'll find the Playhouse, where you can watch the latest blockbuster movies throughout the day. Occasionally there are recitals from guest musicians during the afternoon. Champions, on Deck 7 is the pub and also the casino. There is something going on in here throughout the day until late evening, from quizzes, live sports on the screens, to karaoke and horse racing nights. Also, it's home to the ship's busker. Deck 7, aft, is an entertainment lounge used throughout the day. During the day it is used for fitness and dance classes, and in the evenings there are various entertainment acts, such as Pulse and the Headliners Theatre Company, to visiting acts that have appeared in the Curzon Theatre. Anderson's, on Deck 7, is the perfect place for a drink or cocktail before or after dinner. The Medina restaurant on Deck 6 is for the freedom dining option, if this was your choice. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are all served here. The table sizes vary from 2 people to 8, should you wish to share. The Alexandria restaurant, also on Deck 6, is for those on a set time for dinner, either 6:30 or 8:30. You will be allocated a table, and this will be yours for the duration of your cruise. The Glass House on Deck 8 is a casual restaurant. Meals cost extra and can be paired with wines hand-picked by Ollie Smith. You can enjoy Mediterranean tapas, hearty mains, and desserts. The restaurant is open lunchtime and for evening meals. If Indian cuisine is your thing, then Sindhu on Deck 8 is a must. It is a specialty restaurant, so there is a charge for the meals. The menu is not your everyday Indian takeaway, but offers a more contemporary regional cuisine. On deck 13, forward, is the crow's nest. Sit with a drink or cocktail and take in the stunning ocean views from the panoramic window. In the evening there is live music, either a pianist or other musicians. The Lido Grill on Deck 12 is open on sea days and offers snacks such as hot dogs, burgers, pizzas, and fries. There is also a counter offering ice creams for a small charge. The Crystal Pool and Bar is on Deck 12, midships. It has a retractable roof so it can be used in all weathers. There is a swimming pool, hot tubs, and sun beds for you to relax. On the upper level there are tables and chairs, if you fancy bringing food or drinks there. For the energetic there are 2 table tennis tables. On Deck 12. It opens early morning to very late, and offers breakfast, lunch, afternoon teas, dinner, and late suppers. The Syndicate Quiz takes place here every night. Menus change every day, and you can eat what and as much as you want if you're not too weight conscious. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short tour around the beautiful Aurora.